Hi guys. So, changing an oil pressure switch on 2006 Dodge Grand Caravan. It seems pretty straightforward. Let's see if I can get a good shot of it. Yeah, it's right there. I've already unplugged it, but let me show you the problem I was having. So, it's right there. That green part's actually the connector. And there is what we're looking at. But the problem I have is right below it is the oil filter. Right above it is some other electrical connections that aren't moving. Right behind it, you've got no access, so I can't go above it. I can't come underneath it. Even if I take off the oil filter, I still have the receiver. So I was trying to go in sideways, like diagonal, to grab the threads that are on it. Messed with it for about half an hour and decided, you know what, let me see if I can get a deep socket on it. Well, I didn't have a socket that was big enough. So I went to the auto parts store and found they make an oil pressure switch socket that's just for it. Now, this is one of those things that I'll probably never use again, but check this out. Here's the new one. What? So here's the new one. And it fits in there perfectly. So what I'm gonna do is go on underneath here. Let's see if I can't do this with one hand. I'll reach up there and slide it right over it. Now, when you do this, when you loosen it, let me put this down for a second. When you do it, oil's gonna come out of there. Goodness gracious. All right, well, looks like what I need is some more leverage. So, I'll be back. All right, so I'm back. I found a torque wrench. This should get me a little better leverage, hopefully. There we go. Now again, I expect some oil to drip out of here. Hopefully you can still see that. There it comes. Okay. There we go. So I will just pop this out of here, put the new one on, screw it back in. But if you were like me and fought with trying to get that thing off, just go spend $10 and get you oil pressure switch socket. All right, hope that helps.